Problem in all the finish. We could try to enjoy. Wahala in all the finish. Oh, we could try to enjoy. Se kata kata uru no the finish. We could try to enjoy. Problem in all the finish. We could try to enjoy. We could dance like Luala. Yeah, Luala. Dance like Luala. Yeah, Luala. Dance like Luala.
Guys, I didn't know now babies have these also heavenly. What is it? Is it a Sprinter? Mommy. Okay, I don't know. But maybe I like it for my baby. Oh, so cute for my baby. The pink one. Oh, my nails. Please don't come for my nails. I don't think I'm gonna buy any of the clothes or anything here. I'm just looking and then I'll come back tomorrow because actually I wanted to PS my daughter. It's PSing, right? I should buy her these. Let me hold my phone now. 36 plus. Okay, no, she's still young. She is still young. Yeah, I think I'm definitely buying her those. Please. Yeah, I think I'm gonna come back here tomorrow. For now, let's go to ShopRite. Okay, so this is what I want, and it's 1:30. It's packed, but not that much. I hope you guys can hear me. I think I'm gonna take this one, but we'll see.
I begin to
I wanna cook. Guys, these are nice. My ribs, they are so nice, honey. But I think I'm gonna go to Roots. I just hope you can hear me. I'm gonna go to Roots. So guys, I came here and okay, when I checked online, it's Sanford release. It was cheaper. But when I got here, 75 rand. So now I don't know what to do. I don't know whether, but this is better for 130. I mean, it is better.
the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Wahala, you know the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Say kata kata wuru no the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Problem, you know the finish. So make you try to enjoy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday. Yeah, I just came back from church. I need to do something about my hair. Okay, I just came back from church like I think 30 minutes ago, and hey bro, it is so hot. It is so hot. Okay, and yeah, now I'm about to eat because I'm hungry and I just wanna chill, relax a bit, and then later on I'm gonna take a bath just to cool down. Okay, I'm gonna take a bath. In we are waiting for a delivery, so but you will see guys when it gets here. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, you're gonna see for yourself. Okay, yeah, we are waiting for a delivery, and when it gets here I'm gonna be recording. So now let me go and eat. Big mom. It's so, just imagine you are carrying someone walking around the house and it is so hot. Okay, the camera, it is so hot, and then now I am even sweating, but I have to carry someone and walk around the house with her.
Problem in the finish, so make you try to enjoy. Make you dance like Luala, yeah, Luala.
Okay, the delivery is here. It's from Game, and yeah, that's it. Guys, I just came back home from the salon and I look different. I mean, the first time I relaxed my hair ever since I decided to cut my hair. Yes. Now I want to do my nails and my lashes, but with lashes I assess and my, what is this? You know, eyebrows. I wanna do lashes, please. Oh, more lana. But yeah, this is how I look. I wanna take a bath now because I'm not judging you, okay? I'm not judging you guys, but I don't understand someone who will only take a bath once in a day, just once. I know guys, it's too hot, okay? It is too hot outside, but okay, I'm not judging you, okay? I'm not judging. You're my next. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end, okay? Thank you so much, my loves. I will see you next time. I will see you soon.